Good morning. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, click the bell to notified whenever I make a video. So guys, for those out there, I know you're not going to get this on Father's Day, but this is the Father's Day vlog. So happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. We appreciate you guys. So happy Father's Day. So today we're having the Father's Day vlog. It is Sunday, June 19, 2022. So yes, actually gonna get ready for church right now. So I just finished, well, I ironed my clothes from yesterday, and now I'm gonna go to the bathroom and shower. I looked all my jewelry and my shoes, so let me show you guys what I'll be wearing and all of that. So it's third Sunday, so I'm not wearing heels, I'm wearing flats. I got my blue dress, so it's Father's Day, so we gotta wear blue. We got sister here. Say happy
Father's Day to all my peeps, all the peeps of Shakay channel. Happy Father's Day, my father. Happy Father's Day to my uncles, my cousins who are fathers. Just happy Father's Day to my bestie. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. Hey, ooh, hey, ooh, hey. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. Come and do dirt for them.
No, we're not doing no dirt on Sunday. Go up.
Anyways, dirt Father's Day.
So yes, we have the jewelry. What are we kidding? We got the jewelries and all of that. So yeah, we're going to get ready for church. So comb the hair. This is the hairstyle, and this is the outfit. Yeah. I have on this blue dress, and I have on this slipper. So yeah.
A few moments later.
So guys, I did not cook anything, but I'm in here to fast. Well, Janice, we have chicken in the stomach. And sister made cake. Hi guys, so I just finished washing the plate. It is currently, I swear, 8:58. Watching a vlog while sister is here. I'm gonna pack my bag.
I'm stealing hairstyle.
She had teeth hairstyle at Pinterest. So yes, that's what I'm doing. When we're about to wine, I'll come back to y'all. But this is not really celebratory, so I don't want to necessarily show you this, but I just wanted to update you guys on the vlog. So bye. Hey guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I was actually editing this video and realized I did not end it, so thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the notification bell so you're notified whenever I make a video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.